Shemai! This is a ukulele tutorial for All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. Now this is by far our most popular Christmas song on my Ukuleleans channel, and there is of course a matching play along video on there, and I'll pop a link in the description below. Okay, so let's take a little look at the chords. Quite a few of them, some of them are easier than others. The first one, nice and easy, A minor 7. Okay, no fingers. B7. C. C minor. D7. E minor. E7. And a G. Now, we use this shape, the B7 chord, our first finger, second fret on the E string, our second finger's on the third fret of the C string, and our third finger is on the fourth fret of the G string. Now we use that shape because it matches the E minor chord. Okay, now you may well have to practice that move. Alright, to start with, if you can't play them, crawl your fingers across because it's the same shape, just across one string. There's our B7, and then there's our E minor, and you need to practice that until you can get it nice and quick. Okay, now the C minor chord is a part bar chord, so you're going to go up 1 to the third fret, and you're going to put your first finger across the top three strings. In other words, the A string, the E string and the C string. You're not going to press any fingers on your G string, but you're still going to pluck it within the chord, and it should sound like that. There's our C minor. Alright, we do use the simplified version of the D7 chord because it makes life a little bit easier, and if you don't already know it, there is our E7 chord. First finger, first fret of the G string, second finger, second fret on the C string, and third finger, second fret on the E string. Alright? Now, if you can't play any of those chords, don't worry, just miss them out in the song, practice them by themselves, and you will get there in the end. And if you're not sure 100% of the chords, keep checking the chord charts because it'll tell you which frets and strings to play, and of course the numbers of your fingers. Right, the strumming. As always, I only suggest strum patterns. If you want to do something entirely different, no problem at all. In this case, I'm suggesting the island strum, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, use your first finger or your thumb, whatever you find easiest. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Alright? Now it stays like that pretty much all the way through the song. It does change the amount of times you play the patterns on the actual chords, and that is of course why you follow the little snowman. Right at the start of the song, there are some single strums as well, and I have marked those. Okay, just in case any of you are wondering, I'm actually using my tenor ukulele today just because it's got a low G on it, and as this song is in G, I thought it'd be quite nice and it makes a nice sound as I'm playing. Okay, so let's go play through the song. Now, I know Mariah Carey, I'm laughing because I find this one tricky. I will be fast forwarding. Alright, starting a G, single strums. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care. But now get ready for your C minor. Underneath the Christmas tree, I just want you for my own. All I want for Christmas. Now get ready. We're going to go into the normal strumming now, okay? Here we go. You. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't know my own more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I won't ask for much, and it's the same again. 4 on the G. You can start to see the pattern already. And the strumming, same throughout, but obviously do whatever you like. Or make a list and send it to the I do. Now it does change a little bit. Okay, so there's one on each of these. Here we go, B7. All the lights are shining so brightly now. Now you can see why we're using this chord pattern for B7. We go straight across in the E minor. And everyone is singing. I hear is all I'm asking for. The same chords, the same strumming. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. Maybe all I want for you. Now we're going to hold it longer this time. Is you. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. Baby. Say it again. And it's just a really long fade out then. All I want for Christmas is you. Okay. I hope that has helped. Don't forget there is a matching play along on my Ukuleleans channel. Please subscribe here to get more tutorials. Nadolig llawen. Merry Christmas.